Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and today, as you can see, is the my Cocoa Daisy subscription box. We'll go ahead and go through it. I've just cut the sides, and I just got this today, and it is Monday the 11th, so I am a day late with the video, but I knew this was coming, and I was like, oh, I need to wait for that. So I had hoped it would get here on Saturday, but it did not. So this is the March kit. So it's the kit that you get it in February, but it's for the March kit. So, and the theme is all watercolors and flowers. And so I've seen some of the sneaks, but we shall go in and see what we've got. Yay. As always, you have the beautiful bright yellow tissue paper, which I love. And, ooh, hello, fancy stuff. Okay, so it's called Fresh Cut, and by March in Michigan, we are so tired of gray skies and snow that we filled the March kit with color and life. Who better to bring us this color and life than watercolor artist Kim Stewart? You can find her on Instagram at Nero List Sky. You can see that, hopefully. Kim created a beautiful set of sketched watercolor vases, flowers, paintbrushes, and even an alphabet. We made Kim's process part of the theme with paint swatches as sticky notes, ooh, and half-painted pieces that show her sketches. We also included a set of watercolors, yay! And a mechanical pencil in the planner add-on kit for you to channel your inner sketch and watercolor artist. I hope Kim's beautiful custom creations brighten your day all month and remind you spring is just around the corner, Christine. So I do love that. And as always, you can use this as a just a insert card or a tip in. So, my goodness. Ooh, look at that. Okay, I am so excited. Oh. Okay. That is incorrect. Huh. Okay. Well, they obviously sent me the wrong set. I need the A5s, not the personal size. So, unless my A5 is shrunk down. But that's okay. I'm sure they will fix that. All right. Well then, let's go ahead and get the box out of here. And, oh, I'm so excited. Okay. First, we're going to take a look at, all right, this is the planner add-on kit, and we're just going to dive into this because I'm like dying to see what's in here. So, that must be the watercolors and all kinds of stuff. Ooh. Woohoo! Okay, all right, that's gorgeous washi tape. Very, very colorful. And life is like a blank canvas. It's up to you how you want to paint it. And that's what's in that kit of die cuts. And then, oh my goodness. Ah, that is awesome. Those are gorgeous watercolors. And you get a paintbrush with it as well. All right, and the tin is awesome. The lid's not attached, but that's all right. So there you have that, and it's Royal Langnickel. I don't know if you can see that. So very nice tin, and then you get the Marvy color in, water in brush. So the watercolor brush, which is awesome. And then a Cocoa Daisy or a mechanical pencil. All right. Then pull that washi up. And again, this is the planner add-on kit. I'm kind of going out of whack here, out of thing, but be happy, be bright, be you. Love grows here. I see this and I think of the Brady Bunch, like how they were all stacked. And then these are the stickers. So Hello March, self-care, to-do list, get stuff done, now or never, important, you got this, and all the little things there. Then you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think, like that. Wherever life plants you, bloom with grace. Wake up and flourish. Live life in full bloom. If you get tired, learn to rest, not to quit. Oh, so important. You do you. I love that. And then these are the numbers. Oh, look how pretty they are with the watercolor on. I like that. And then the letters. And that is just gorgeous. Oh, okay. So that is the planner add-on kit. All right, so we'll go ahead and put that back down. Yay. All right, so this is the regular kit. So pull all of this out. Ooh. Oh, sweet. Another pen. I'm loving their pens. This is, it's got gold or yellow, bright yellow gems in the middle. It's got the Cocoa Daisy embossed right there, and then it's got the daisy on the top, which I freaking love. But I love the way these write. So the one that had the black gems with the black and white polka dots, oh, I ran that one out. This is the die cuts. I'll let you take a look at all of those. There's that. And the washi, which is awesome. I think this matches something else that's in the kit. Oh, these are so cute. These are the watercolor. It looks like a pan of watercolor. That is adorable. Ah, this is the sticky notes. Yeah, that is so cute. I love that. Then you've got the crochet, like a crocheted little flower, and ooh. Okay, so there's that, which is cute. This, though, I love. Oh, that looks similar to the July kit last year, July or August, or no, June maybe. Anyway, this one has a clock on it. How cute is that? I love that. I have used one in my rings that has today or to do on it, but I love that little clock. That's awesome. All right, so ooh, yes, so this is the little. It's not actually a traveler's notebook. It's for notes. However, I actually turned mine into the traveler's notebook. So the last one that I had, I think we got it in November. So let me get the notes out of this. Oh, I love that paper. Oh. Open all the little packages. Okay, so it's actually for note carrying. So this is the notes, and they're not sticky notes. They're just a notepad, which just says to do, which I love that. And you take the pad and you stick it in here, and then you just close it over, and then you can put the pen in like that, and voila. Now obviously you probably have to tighten that up a little bit, but you've got plenty of room in there, and it's great. I had one, or the one that I had, I actually punched 2 holes here, and I strung 4 strings and turned it into a traveler's notebook, which is very easy to do. This is like it's like a vinyl, but I mean, it's very nice. It feels very nice. And, or you can just keep it in your purse like this, or your bag for notes, and just have it in there. So either way, that works. So there's that. And, ooh, okay. Another tag, which I am starting to really enjoy. I love how that one's just barely watercolored there. So we'll put that there. These are your tabs, your tab stickers. And so you've got that for March. And these are the date stickers. And I use these in my memory keeping. So this is how these are the ones that I use for the days. Although I love those other ones. I might use those this time around too. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But this is what I normally use in my memory keeping. And then this is the March stickers. So you have St. Patrick's Day, first day of spring, March, and rest and recharge, planner, declutter, organize. Look, little Simon, right there. So pretty. I love these flowers. Oh, love it. So that is awesome. And then these are the paper. Oh, look at this vellum. Oh my goodness. Okay, hopefully you can kind of see that. So that's got the foiled daisy eyes. I love that. Okay, so that's a gorgeous vellum. And then these are the papers. And you get 2 of each. They're double-sided, so obviously this is the same side as that. So you have that in the back of that one. Oh, I love that. And so these are 2 are the same. Those are so pretty. Oh, and then these 2 are the same. So those are just gorgeous. Oh, so those are the papers. Very cool. And we'll put that right there. And then this is the dory. And so start here, and this is what I do my memory keeping in. So this is March, and to-do list, put yourself at the top. First things first, flowers, for me, more flowers. Oh, darling, you are more than enough, Jennifer White. Fall asleep with dreams and wake up with purpose. Remember to take care of yourself. You can't pour from an empty cup. Teeny Buddha. I love that. Oh, and it's kind of a dot grid, but not really. I love that. Then self-care is how you take care of your... Self-care is how you take your power back. That's awesome. And then watercolors with... Oh, and this matches that, which is kind of cool. Ties that whole thing in. And again, more dot grid. And create. More watercolor. These are just gorgeous. Oh, more flowers. Myself. Definitely makes me miss spring. Then when, oh, and you can watercolor this one. And I might try to do that with this. And just to do some watercoloring in this one and see what happens. So there's that. And then I'll go ahead and open this, even though these are not what I order. I have the A5s, not the personal, but that's okay. I have personal. I can use them still. So there's the month on the back. And so you carry so much love in your heart, give some to yourself. And so that's the week at a glance with the notes on the back. And then remember when you wanted what you currently have. That's something very good to remember. And then this is the week on 2 pages. So there that is. Breathing dreams like air. I love that. And then this is how it looks with your notes. Your growth is your own journey. And remember when you wanted, okay, then that's the weeks at a glance there for the month. And then you get notes with little squares to do. And then your month at a glance, or your month on 2 pages for that. And then your Calendex for the next year. And then this is what these look like. So this is the back. And you can either use it like this, as like, this is one day and it's just a 2-page spread, or you can just do it one day at a time and you just have to flip the page. You can do it either way. So, and the little hydrate for your water checks are little paint cups, which I love. I think this is I mean, it's a beautiful, beautiful kit. Even though it's a lot of pink, it's gorgeous. And you get 31 of those. So there is your dory, or your ring inserts. So I will just have to call and let them know that they sent me personal and I need the A5. So, all right. Well, it is a gorgeous kit. Not 100% my aesthetic, but that's all right. It's beautiful. And they're not all going to be perfectly me. But this is beautiful. I mean, it truly, truly is. And I am definitely going to be using the watercolors because I'm kind of already working on something for One Book July that is going to be a little bit different. So these will definitely come in handy during that month. And there'll be more to that, you know, in the future. But it will be different than it was this past year. So there you have it. My Cocoa Daisy subscription kit. And it is all gorgeous. And yes. So hopefully you've loved this. I love the watercolors. It's beautiful. And fresh cut is a win. So let me know if you are loving all of this. If it's not up your alley, or if you're not into watercolors. I want to be, and I want to do more. And I've got a couple of new sets of watercolors, this included, that I've been wanting to try. So hopefully later on in the year, I will be trying to increase my creativity. So more to come on that later. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And as always, spend the rest of your life celebrating. And I will talk to you later.